Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on voicemail on phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open up your phone application from your device. Then tap on three-dot icon on the top right. You will see Settings option at the end. Tap on it to open it. Then you will see an option of voicemail. Tap it again and here you can see that voicemail number. Just tap onto it and set any number your preference according to your country. And that's it. Now this is the one way you can do it. Another way you could do it is by going on to your phone to settings. Once you're at this settings page, directly search for voicemail. Tap onto it and tap on it again. And here you will see the same portal that I showed you before. So set any voicemail number. If it's still not working for you, then you need to call your service provider and ask them to do it for you. So that's basically how you can turn on voicemail on phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.